Hi everybody, I'm on here to show you these little birds I made. I was playing with my jelly plate. Here's another one. I was playing with my jelly plate and I was trying to use different colors, so I was using purple and brown together. And I got something like this. And I was trying to make embellishments, so I wasn't thrilled with it. It doesn't, some of it's okay. The other one was just flat. This one had a little bit of, different stuff in it. This one actually came out a little nicer. But either way, what I did was, let's see if I can find it. So then I just went ahead and decorated made some little birds. And they were playing like this, and I colored them with, where is that stuff? Like these portfolio. I used that. I used the cheap metallic gel sticks. And I think these would work if you watch Betsy Doodle. She was doing these beautiful butterflies that were painted black, and then she would go over them with like her metallic lusters. But if you have something like this, I'm pretty sure that would give you, if not exactly the same, pretty close like results, like her beautiful butterflies that she ran through the embossing folders. So I'm going to try that later. Let's see, and then I colored them also with, there are these cheap things I have, some sort of inexpensive, oh darn it, where did I put those? Well anyways, like inexpensive oil pastels. I think I got them at Hobby Lobby. Oh, here they are. These things. They're like $5. And so I just went on there and colored them up. And I think they came out kind of cute. Sometimes I would cover up the white, or depending on what I outlined them with, I would cover that up. But, yeah, so these started off something like that. So you can make some embellishments on your stencils, kind of give it a personal touch, because like sometimes I'm torn between I don't know where I put my tag. Sometimes I'm torn between like drawing something and doing everything myself, and then just using like something easy like stamps and stencils. So this way you can kind of personalize it, because you can color them any color. Like I used blues and reds, yellow for the beak. But yeah, you can just use really inexpensive products and get some nice results. I think they're nice. So yeah, some voids. This one says, "And wilderness is the preservation of the world." And I believe that. So thank you all for watching, and y'all take care. Bye.